Okay, now we are new live. Let me share my screen. You see my screen, right? Oh,
Nice. Yeah, it's
okay.
visible now.
Okay, okay. So what we do is we'll go to some more terminology, important terminology. Master data, transaction data. Master data, nothing but what I showed you, material master. Okay. Master data, transaction data, master data, transaction data, and customizing data. These three is important concepts to know understood. Customizing data. Maybe this is with respect to SAP terminology, but this is a generic terminology. Think of what could be the master data in general. Definition of anything is data, right? In the entire IT industry, everything we play with the data only.
Yes, yes.
Data, right? So different types of data. These are
Uh,
the three different data types of it.
but
What could be the master data? In general, if you think, what could be the master data?
any information of customers, details,
Hmm.
that is
Generally, the
must.
data, correct, correct. The data which will not change frequently, right? The data which don't change frequently. Uh,
Account details, bank details.
ah,
Yeah.
frequently. Okay. So example is other, right? Other details, other number, not address, other number, even phone number also, right? Phone number, PIN number generally, PIN number, right? PAN card number, PAN card data, PAN card, right? Anything else? Employee data also,
Yeah.
right? And customer data also, master data. It's what all this information, data,
Which won't change frequently.
which won't change the frequently. And if you go to in the SAP point of view, material master data, right? Whatever that we created yesterday, materials I created one materials, right? Some materials yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. On 6th July,
Uh,
in about
even yesterday also. Yesterday I have not done.
yesterday, yeah,
Okay, so
program
program one. Oh, okay. Master data, material master data, vendor master data, vendor. So charging it. Vendor master data. All this is the master data. Transaction data is what could be the transaction data example?
means any bank transactions or
Right?
the
Bank balance data, right?
bank
Or bank
balance.
transactions, bank transaction data.
Yeah.
All withdrawals to deposit to everything is on the under it comes under transaction data only, right? And what is stock? Stock in a company, stock in a plant, right? Transaction data, right? What else? Stock in your plant, bank transaction data, purchase order data, sales order data, invoice data. This is transaction data. Invoice data. Okay. What could be customizing data? Customizing data is company code. Okay. Plant information, storage location, company information. Okay. All these things called as customizing data in SAP terminology. It's very important to understood at the beginning only. Transaction data and customizing data. Okay. See, everything, whatever the technology you take, the SAP technology also, what is exactly we are doing here? So we are handling the data. We're getting point here or not? Hello? Right? Everything the day to day in the IT industry will handle the data only, different types of data based on the business, different business purpose, right? Transaction data, company code, everything. This is the data we maintain in the system, SAP system, as a day to day business point of view, right? Suppose you joined into the company, right? So your information will be maintained in the company. Suppose you joined in the Capgemini, right? In the Capgemini, once you joined, what is the master data they will maintain?
Employee ID.
Your employee ID, your employee name, right? Location, gender, all the information is the master data. What could be your transactional data in the company if you take?
PF details,
PFO, salary, right?
DA,
Suppose you go to different projects, that is also transaction data, right? Because it will be going on adding, changing. And suppose you choose for the transportation, buses, right? That also may be different routes, different things, even information will be changing, right? That is also comes under the transaction data. Even if you work in the different projects, for example, that is also comes under transactional data. Okay. Customizing data to understood, I'll tell you what is this company code, plant and all, company. I'll show this all practically quickly now. Next 10 minutes, I'll show you practically. This we have seen already yesterday class. Material creation, master data. I can create once again now one new material. Go to system, connect. Click on OK. Once again, I'll show you how to create one new material, master data. I give 63 for you, right? Sixty-four. Okay. I'll create one new material, material master data. Say suppose the chemical industry, material type. Just randomly I'm choosing. This entire thing is built by SAP ABAP only. This is what we'll be going to learn,
Okay.
right? Material for this is completely written by SAP company because it is standard. Why it is standard is if you observed, I use the T code as MM01. MM01 means standard, not starting with Z.
Okay.
That's the point actually. So I'm just entering the base how you measure this material. Easy. Say material group. I choose some material group here. Right? Chemicals, chemical material here. Chemicals, division, maybe some product division. Okay. And I'll give some gross weight of the material. Say maybe 100. And unit of that material is say kg here. Net weight is 50. Okay. Save it here. This is the master data.
Okay.
So this 1437 is the unique material number, like employee number.
Okay.
Okay. This data you can see in the table, Mara table. How to go to the table? /o SC11.
Oh,
SC11 is the transaction code given by SAP to create the tables, to see the tables, all the information. Okay. Go to here. Right. Go to Mara table. Display. Contents. Okay. 1437. 1437 and execute here. Right. So this is the data has been transferred to database. This is database data. Right. I given the weight 100 to 50. This is the master data. Okay. Like this, we have different master data we can create. Okay. We can create also one more master data, for example, business partner. Let me try quickly to create one business partner. Okay, whether you are creating a business partner as a person or organization or group. Say press person here. Okay, your person one business like vendor, business partner. Okay, you are creating title, Mr. Okay, some RK something, some Kumar. Last name is Kumar. Okay, then give here state number 10, postal code.
Its domain is business partner. I couldn't hear your voice properly. No, it's not clear. Means your voice is not clear.
Now is better.
Yeah, now it's better.
Is better.
I removed my headphones.
Oh,
Okay, okay. So I showed you the master data, two different data. One is material master data, other one is business partner I created.
okay,
What I'm suggesting is go through this, what I have done through the recording, you practice it.
okay,
Then you understand the flow of the data.
okay,
Okay, to repeat the point, this is not actually we not started the ABAP. So I started the topic concept of SAP data flow and backend ABAP only. Okay, na? So that you will be familiar with the system navigation and data flow. Then we'll start the actual ABAP. Okay, na? So I will go to now the transaction data also. I'll show you where you can see the transaction data and customizing data. These three I'll show today. These three I'll show today and I'll close class for today. The next class I'll start the actual dictionary tables creation and all.
okay,
But you practice this one, all what we are doing. It's not just theory I'm telling. I'm showing in system. Okay, na?
okay.
Where you can see the transaction data like purchase order I was telling, right? Here, there is a transaction code ME23N. This is to see the purchase orders in the system. You see there is a purchase order. What is the meaning of purchase order?
As what the customer has purchased, that
Uh,
detail
what
is
we are purchasing, right? Purchase order. Like suppose you are purchasing something in Amazon, you raise the purchase order only. It is a purchase order only.
order ID is created. According to that order ID, details
Yes,
will be
yes,
visible.
yes. And one more important terminology, right? You need to understood header data, item data in the SAP. Header data and item data. Think of what could be the header data, what is the item data? Header data, item data. This terminology also will come in entire SAP. Suppose you take any document, suppose if you take a supermarket bill, what will be supermarket at the top of the supermarket? What information will be available?
Supermarket details, store
Supermarket name, right? Address,
name,
website, right? Phone number, right? Right. This basically, right? This is an
basically
information will be available on the top of the supermarket bill. And these items, right? Suppose you what is the on the bill? What you will find? Item number, item name, item quantity, price. You will see like this, right? Item number one. So item number is soap. Soaps. So item quantity 10 quantity. Okay. Price 10 into maybe 5500 rupees. Item number two. Paste. Colgate. Item quantity 5. Say suppose is 550 rupees, 250 rupees. Like this, how many items, whatever the items you purchase, right? Yeah. Third. Say suppose shampoo. Okay. Two shampoos we purchased, 200 rupees. Now, how many records are there in the, how many rows are there in the item data?
total 4.
4 or 3?
One is serial number, item number, then source, then
This one is the heading only. This is the heading purpose, heading only. This is the data, actual data. How many rows are there here?
3.
3 rows. Right? How many columns? 1, 2,
4.
3, 4 columns.
4.
Okay, the entire data stores in the IT industry like this format only in the tables. This is the common for all these 3 items or not? These three is common or not for this one?
Yes, it
Common,
is.
right? Whatever the number of items you purchase here, it's common. This is very important to understand the concept here. Header data is the data which is common to items in a document. Example, supermarket bill. Okay. On the bill header, information is on the bill header information is common to all the items we purchased. You can imagine or not? Header data, item data.
Yes.
Right? This, for example, right? If I take this one, this is header data or not? This is header data or not?
Yes.
Customer ID, account number, statement period. This logo, right? And this is the item data. Whatever the transactions I made it. Okay. This clear item data, header data. Any doubts? Hello?
It's clear.
Okay, next we will move on. No? This is how the header data looks in SAP. This is the header data. This is the purchase order. This is one purchase order. And this is the header data. Supplier, document date. Okay, this is header data. Complete this one. This is the number of items you are purchasing here. This is the transaction data. Same way you can see sales address data also. VA03. I think some problem here. Okay, sales address looks also same way like how you see the purchase order. Okay, next customizing data. Customizing data, how to create is, I'll quickly create one customizing data. Try to understood. You can also do practically. I'll go to system. Okay. I'll go to create a customizing data. I'll go to SPRO, transaction code. SPRO. Click on reference IMG. Okay. Go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Define a new company here. Click on define company. You'll get this type of scheme. A new company information. Suppose you have the SAP client. First time they want to create the information of the client company. In that case, this option will be done. So just to make you understood, I am telling this one. Otherwise, not required at this stage. Okay. Now I'll go and create new entries. New company information you are creating. Company name, company code, nothing but company short form. Right. MRS IT solutions. State Whitefield. Say Bangalore. Region maybe IN. Language key EN. One organizing data, customizing data I'm creating. Customizing data means very rarely the data will be changed. Customizing like company code, plant, storage location. This type of data we call as a customizing data in SAP. Save it. It's already existing this one. Okay. Save it now. The moment I click on save, it lost the transport request. We'll see this in the transport request information in the next class. You can create a new request. New transport request for storing the company code information. Save it. Enter. Okay, now the data has been saved. Where the data has been saved to find out, in this case, what you can do is you press F1 here. F1 will give you a documentation. Pop-up will come. What is it meaning of this one? It will tell you what is exactly of this company. You click the technical information here. You will get a view name, table name, nothing but. Double click here. It goes to table. Go to the table. Double click here. The data will store here. Click on contents. Copy paste your company name here. This is what we have given. Data flow. Same way like how we created a materials. Okay, understood? Hello? I'll stop the class today 1 second.